So these guys are coming all the way down to my hood to ride. Because I couldn't leave. But I was willing to put up with all you guys to put together these tracks.
We're supposed to be in Baja right now. Usually at the last minute, within the last week, usually pretty much everybody pulls out. So like within the last 10 days of this ride, everyone's like, I'm in. And then I'm thinking to myself, this is gonna be terrible. You know, like you got personalities and you got cars breaking down. The first day it was raining and we were trying to fumble through it.
That's crazy.
How's the rip so far, you guys?
Awesome, having a great time.
I have one little problem though. I have to move my seat up because you guys like to mash the pedals. I can't get it all the way down.
We took Blake Ranch Road and we took a detour to go through the mansion, up the creek, and then back over the hills. Put you guys in some uncomfortable rocks, new scrapes on your A-arms, stuff like that. So Augie's car's brand new, right?
Yeah, nuts, but not wheel nuts.
What the We gotta depart. Let me go grab some.
The wheel like came off?
Yeah, I didn't want to play anymore.
The whole thing?
Behind him at that gate back.
That's crazy.
Good to go.
Can we go and salvage the lugs? Do we know where they went? Like over there? Should we look for them?
Probably the last mile.
You're not gonna find them.
You came around that corner and I'm like,
Stop your car! It's like, woo!
hey, welcome to the show, dude. At least you found yours.
Let's see what you got here.
I don't have the ride height set right, so it's sitting low to begin with.
Poor car, brand new car.
Yeah, it's got a whole 250 miles on it now.
Well, this is a true break-in.
So Baghdad for lunch?
Baghdad for lunch. We better get there.
carry more fuel because I didn't know how much fuel I could actually end up using.
Yeah, you know, I think that's probably the first time you've like laid on your car for that
long. Yeah. So that thing sucked down the fuel.
The first day, I think the very beginning, all the way through the rocks, all of that was awesome. It's been good mileage for how much we're doing every day.
Well, for how many cars we got going?
Yeah, we got 9 cars.
We got 9 cars, and we're stopping and looking at stuff.
Probably try to. I would push it more in between stops.
Yeah.
And
well, we were doing pretty good when I was driving. We were doing 40-mile legs before we stopped.
But it's we do good after 2 p.m. Before 2 p.m., we're not so good.
Over there.
Well, then broke cars don't count. If someone's car breaks, well, that's
collateral damage.
Right. It's the friendly breaks that last half hour, 45 minutes, and you know, it's more than just a piss break.
That's right.
That was pretty good. It just got better. And we were in the rain probably 75% of the day yesterday. There was no dust, but at the end of the day, it did get a little
Cold.
and greasy.
It wasn't that greasy.
It wasn't.
No.
But I think all in all, you know, for a group of 10 cars, I think we're moving pretty good. We're covering some pretty good ground. We've had a couple of minor mechanicals that are easily fixed and remedied.
Stuff.
Yeah, simple. I'll take those mechanicals any day.